Hey, I'm Simon from Slip Eco Lube, and this is a ridiculously rusty pair of extended shears. Now, listen to that. It's a pretty horrible sound, and if I put it next to my mic, it's not pleasant. And Slip Eco Lube can get rid of that squeak and make the shears nice and smooth again. So here we go. I'll put it on nice and liberally, open and close it. It's already starting to be a lot quieter. And there we have it. I can open and close it with one finger. I can open and close it with one finger there, and they're completely silent. So give them a bit of a sharpen and they'll be suitable for use on your high up hedges. That's Slip Eco Lube, and of course it's skin safe and 100% biodegradable.